Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the iOS 26 beta, exactly 1 month before the global version release.
Alright guys, today we are going to install iOS 26 beta together. As you can see, when we go to the software update, there is no sign of the new iOS yet. Step 1. Open Safari. Search for the Apple Beta software program and open the first website. Scroll down a little. Tap Sign Up and here just enter the same Apple ID that you are using on this device. Then hit Continue. Choose Other option, read through the terms, and tap Agree. Now let's go back into Setting. From General, open Software Updates. As you can see, there is now a brand new option here. Tap on it and select iOS 26 Public Beta. Go back one step, refresh the page, and boom, the update shows up. Just click Update Now, enter your device passcode, and then download will begin. The update size is around 8 GB, so make sure you have enough storage. Also, your iPhone needs to be at least 15% charged before installing. Thanks for watching and following along. If you have any question, drop them in the comments and I will answer them.